My name is Alexis Tripp, and this is my informative speech. Who would you turn to for the care of a loved one? Whose hands do you trust to place these special people's lives in? Most have chose UPMC because it is a groundbreaking innovator, ranked #1 and nationally recognized. UPMC focuses on life-changing medicine and attracts many patients nationally. Through research and reading, many statements and statistics have led to the discovery that UPMC is ranked #1 in Pittsburgh. These few examples of some major fields of medicine are why UPMC is the provider that many choose. The following statistics found by the UPMC CAHPS surveys taken by UPMC patients are just a few examples of why UPMC is ranked #1 and nationally recognized. First, according to these surveys, 71% of consumers want access to UPMC for their care. And 30,000 patients travel across the country for UPMC's medical care. Second, 54% of consumers prefer UPMC for neurosurgery or stroke care. Lastly, 76% of consumers prefer UPMC for their cancer centers. UPMC is the hospital that focuses on being able to provide physicians for all of today's complex problems. According to UPMC's top officials, their approach is based on treating the whole patient rather than just simply treating the disease, meaning that their primary focus is to take care of their patients as a whole and not just simply based on the problem. Also, when rated nationally, UPMC was ranked in the top 5% for their physicians. They are said to have one of the largest primary care teams in the region with more than 1,000 primary care doctors. This is important because not only are patients receiving some of the best physicians, but there is a wide and large variety. Lastly, care is even at your fingertips. Patients are able to access records, prescriptions, and contact doctors all via technology called the UPMC portal. These qualities make it understandable as to why 71% of consumers would choose UPMC for their care and travel far and few to receive just that. According to the UPMC's top officials, its neurosurgery and neurology departments are national and internationally recognized for their minimally invasive neurosurgery and stroke research treatment. They are said to be the home of the largest academic neurosurgery in the department in the US. Being that it is the largest academic department means that we're always bringing in new talent and ideas through teaching. UPMC was found to be the leader in endoscopic endonasal approach brain surgery for those really hard to reach skull tumors. More than 25 years ago, UPMC introduced the gamma knife radiosurgery and have now performed more than 14,000 procedures. Lastly, they were the first site for microvascular decompress, now the standard for cranial severe nerve disorders. All of these advancements are reasons that CAHPS surveys found that 50% of consumers would choose UPMC for their neurological needs. Officials of UPMC also stated that the UPMC Hillman Center for Cancer has more than 60 locations and serves more than 74,000 cancer patients each year. UPMC has one of the largest integrated cancer networks in the US. They were found to be the leaders in advanced abdominal cancers that involved internal heated chemotherapy. They've also been recognized as the pioneer of robotic use in pancreatic cancer operations. Lastly, the National Cancer Institute has made UPMC their designated cancer center. With these facts, 76% of consumers surveyed that they would pick this cancer center. In conclusion, UPMC is known for many different departments, and the CAHPS surveys have shown that they excel in just about every aspect of their healthcare services. Their neurosurgery and neurology fields, primary care, and cancer centers stuck out the most to me, as these are a few fields that have had an impact on my life and many others. UPMC was ranked #1 in Pittsburgh, nationally rated And these are the facts and statistics that have shown that this is the provider that stands out to many and works very hard for their patients. Whose hands are you putting yours and your loved ones in?